Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can easily put the string back through your trousers here. So these are some joggers, this is the drawstring, these are my daughters, and what's happened is they came nearly all the way out. So I've pulled it all the way out. There is a knot on either side. I'm going to try to leave the knot on there because the factory knot's going to be a lot stronger than the knot that I'm going to do. So I've got to somehow try to feed this back through here. Otherwise, these are going to keep falling down. So what you need to do is you need to find something that you can feed through. So for example, you might have an old charging cable, something like that. And then you can find one of the holes and then you can just push it through here and you can start feeding it all the way through. Now this one's going to take a little bit longer because it's quite flexible. So I'm going to use this, which I've got, which is really useful if you're doing any sort of electrician work. And it's a little drawstring here. So I'm going to shove this one through and it will just be a lot quicker for the purpose of the video. But you can use anything. You can use a massive needle if you wanted to. So I'm just going to feed that all the way through. Nearly there, and there we go. You can see now that we've got another hole just here, so I'm going to just shove it out there. And now what I have to do, I've got that all the way through, I'm going to sellotape this one onto here and I'm going to put it through carefully. I'm going to give myself quite a bit of room on here because I don't want to lose this in here, you know, because then I have to do it all over again. So this is just some electrical tape, and I'm going to wrap it around just once there, and then I'm going to just wrap this around here just to give it a little bit more grip. So it's just wrapped around like so. And just to stop that bit snagging here, I'm gonna just make it into a bit more of a cone so it can kind of feed its way through easier. There we go. So you can see now that should hopefully go through here okay, like so. And that's it. Now we're just gonna put it through. We are gonna have to feed it at the same time because it's quite thick. And there we go, you can see both strings are out now, so let's undo the tape. That's it, so my drawstring's back to normal, and now my daughter's joggers are back to normal as well. And you can see that now I should be able to put them on and should be able to do up the drawstring as normal. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.